So hi friends, welcome back again to the channel of the Parfum. For today's video, a fragrance for men this time, and once again a fragrance from the company Zara, and it is this one right here. It's called Zara Man Silver Summer or Summer Edition, and this is actually a 2020 release, let's say a brand new, and it is like a flanker to this one right here, Zara Man Silver. As we all know, there was a Zara Man Winter as well, and this is and there is this one as well. Even though there was a 2019 version of this one, but in a different box and in a different bottle. So Zara Man Silver Summer 2020 is a woody, spicy fragrance for men. And yes, as I said, it was launched in 2020. I came across this fragrance, I believe, in the end of February. I tried it, but the thing is, why I didn't pick it up then, the price was a little bit pricey, or let's say pricier than now. And also because I tried many fragrances at the store and I got a little bit confused and didn't really catch, I didn't really make up my mind about this one. So for the main accords for this fragrance, citrusy, aromatic, fresh spicy, and also warm spicy. So it's like a combination between the two. If you guys want to know about the notes, there is I looked up online and there was many versions of the notes for this fragrance, even though they all had some similarities. I checked out the Zara store, the Zara website. I checked out Fragrantica, and also on the back of the box there is another different story. So for the notes on the box, over here it says lemon, lime, mandarin, and spearmint, I think, on the top notes. In the middle notes, cardamom, clary sage, gardenia, and lavender. And in the base notes, sandalwood, tonka bean, and amber and patchouli. And over here it says fougere, citrus, ambery. I like the box, even though this is a very weak type of box. I prefer the other boxes for Zara 8 or Zara 9. They have really solid boxes, or even for Zara Vibrant Leather Limited Edition. But I do really like the design, the colors. It has this summer good vibes type of design, which is not so bad. Over here on the box it says Night Collection, just like Zara Man Silver and Zara Man Gold. And I showed you earlier the notes on the back. Over here we had the barcode, the batch code, and the other informations. I actually bought this fragrance just like this. As you can see, it has some stickers here, and it had a sticker over here, but I took it off. Okay, I'll open the box for you to show you the bottle. The bottle is really interesting, with interesting colors, interesting shades of colors. As I said, summer, it has this summer theme, vacation or summer vacation theme, which is not so bad. It is chic, I like it, it's cool. The cap is more solid than before, even more solid than the one we have over here for Zara Man Silver. This one is really very loose, and it is a little bit different than the others for Zara Weekend and other fragrances. If you guys want me to spray a little bit for the video, it's a pretty decent sprayer. I like it, to be honest with you. They improved the sprayer and they improved the cap, which is not so bad. And over here we have the batch code, the same one on the box with this, the sticker with the batch code. Lovely design, very nice compact bottle. So how does this fragrance smell like? Of course, since it is a flanker to Zara Man Silver, so it does smell a lot like that fragrance, but it has its own vibe, its own direction. It also smells like Gucci Guilty, but a little bit more different than Zara Man Silver. I would say Man Silver is closer to Gucci Guilty than Man Silver Summer. And on the initial spray, this fragrance, Zara Man Silver Summer, it really reminded me a lot of a fragrance that I just reviewed lately, which is Pepe Jeans Celebrate for him. If you guys didn't see that review, you need to watch it, or if you want to watch it, I'm definitely leaving a link in the description box down below this video if you want to check it out. And as I said, yes, on the initial spray, that opening, this one really resembles Pepe Jeans Celebrate for him, and I believe it has something to do with that lime note that we have on Zara Man Silver Summer. Also the Clary Sage, there is a very close similarity between the two. It is not really that fresh, it's not a very fresh fragrance. It is fresh, but not really as fresh as Zara Chicago that we have over here, or Zara Lisboa, or even Zara 8. But it has this aquatic notes, I believe, and it has this, as I said, this summery vacation vibe that gives it that, that gives you that feeling that it is definitely a fragrance for high heat weather. So after that 5 to 7 minutes mark, it starts getting a little bit more woody, a little bit more powdery, if I can say that, and also ambery. And the amber in this fragrance is the only thing that I really don't like about it. The amber is very synthetic in this fragrance, and it is the only thing that makes it smell cheap, if I can say that. Yes, it is a cheap fragrance, $8, $9, and it's not so bad. I mean, I like the scent, and that's why I bought it, but I wish the amber was a little bit better in this fragrance. And yeah, for the performance, I tried this fragrance only one time, for a day. I can say longevity between, yes, I would say 5 hours to 6 hours. Good longevity for I mean, you can smell it very well for the first 3 hours. Then afterwards it becomes a skin scent for the rest of the time. It projects for 45 minutes to 1 hour maximum, but the projection is I mean, the projection and sillage are a little bit moderate. Sometimes it can give you that weak, I mean, you can tell it is a little bit between weak and moderate, but overall it is not so bad. For its price, you can definitely, I mean, you can carry it with you if you are on a vacation or going to the beach or something like that. Carry it with you and go heavy on the sprayer. 6 sprays, 8 sprays, I mean, why not? And you can also respray it whenever you want. You can also wear it to the gym. You can wear it for, I mean, in the office. It is a safe fragrance. It is not offensive. And it is very pleasant. I would say also a crowd pleaser type of fragrance. Lovely scent. It has this really sexier vibe that I prefer more than Man Silver. But I wish the performance with this one was similar to Man Silver or even more. Man Silver really is a much, I would say, denser, heavier, and yeah, performs much better. This fragrance is really beautiful in that first hour. I mean, you smell it very well, and it has really a very summery vibe that I really like. It is uplifting, it is delightful, and I mean, it is a decent cheapie. I mean, for the price you cannot go wrong. So yes, I guess this is it for our video. Please guys, like the video and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and definitely stay tuned for the next videos.